Hey everyone, recently released, the Blackview MP100 mini PC provides a cost-effective, capable, and mini computing solution. With a maximum storage capacity of 3 TB and a maximum RAM of 64 GB, this little PC, which is powered by the Ryzen 7 5700U chipset, is a flexible choice for a range of consumers. The Blackview MP100 little PC is built to effectively manage a variety of productivity and entertainment duties. With 8 cores and 16 threads, the Ryzen 7 5700U processor guarantees seamless performance for both routine work and intensive applications. From 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, users have a variety of memory and storage combinations to select from. If you require even more RAM, you can upgrade the system to 64 GB using the crucial CL22 kit. For the Blackview MP100, the AMD Radeon RX Vega 8 GPU offers respectable graphics performance. Even though it lacks the capability of the Radeon 780M, many games may be played at 30 frames per second or greater on lower settings. Because of this, the little PC is appropriate for both multimedia work and light gaming. The integrated cooling system of the Blackview MP100 mini PC is intended to keep operating temperatures at ideal levels. Even under high load, this system runs softly, with a maximum noise level of 40 decibels. This guarantees that the little PC won't be noticeable in a variety of settings, such as home offices or entertainment rooms. A wide range of connectivity choices is available with the Blackview MP100 Tiny PC, including there are 2 USB-C ports, 2 Gen 2 USB 3.2 ports, 1 Ethernet port and 1 USB 2.0 port, just 1 HDMI 2.0 connector, a single interface for DisplayPort. For strong wireless connectivity, the mini PC also has Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6. Additionally, it has a triple display output capability for multi-monitor installations, a VESA mount for simple installation behind displays or on walls, and RGB lighting to give the system a stylish touch. Currently, the Blackview MP100 mini PC is available in a number of configurations to meet the demands of various users. The following are the configurations that are offered on AliExpress along with their corresponding costs. Basic configuration, which costs $276. A versatile, reasonably priced, and capable computing solution, the Blackview MP100 mini PC meets a multitude of requirements. Its powerful features, adaptable connection, and silent operation make it an appealing option for users looking for a capable mini PC, whether they want to use it for work, play, or leisure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.